Hey friends, let's build a fun modern bookshelf from a single sheet of plywood. First, I ripped my plywood sheet into 5 strips using my circular saw and Kreg rip cut. Then I trimmed these strips to length and began assembling the main body of the shelf using pocket holes and screws. I added the back panel in the center, then installed 3 shelves on the left and 4 shelves on the right. These shelves will overlap in the middle and alternate on each side, giving it a fun, unique, modern style. And because this plywood was so pretty, I kept finish simple by just adding a clear coat. This fun design is perfect for books, shoes, displays, and more. Let's build this simple end table with drawers. I built the body and the drawers of this cabinet using plywood and assembled the frame with 2x2s. I used a Kreg pocket hole jig to make assembly super easy using pocket holes and screws. I added 4 equally sized drawers into this cabinet and mounted them on ball bearing drawer slides. After the drawer fronts and the top were installed, I stained the piece and it was ready for use. I'm sharing the free building plans for this project on craigtool.com, and you can check out my drawer building series on woodshopdiaries.com. Happy building, friends!